Hello, my furry shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day is going well so far. We're back shopping at Costco. We're going to go over the new arrivals. We have some exciting finds, some returning items as well, and we're visiting two stores. We're going to start here in Murrieta. We're here in Southern California, and this is a returning item from JBL, the Party Box 130. So they're always kind of changing the shape, so it looks a little smaller. We have our wireless microphone. Now the price did not come back small. It is $450. This is definitely one of those items I suggest to wait till it goes on sale, because they do go on sale from time to time. Now this is one we haven't seen in a couple of years from Belkin, the Ultra Charge. It's a 3-in-1 foldable magnetic charger. So you're able to charge 3 devices at once. So this is recommended for Apple products. So your iPhone, your watch, also your AirPods. But it is a time saver that you're able to do it all at once. So here's a great photo kind of showing all 3 pieces together. And the nice thing about it, it's small enough so you can easily travel with it, and for $60. So definitely look out for those. And then here's another returning item I haven't seen in a couple of years from Anchor, the Complete Charging Solution. I picked this up the last time I was here, and I have it in our guest room, and everyone goes to the guest room to charge up. So the top part, I have that in my suitcase, so I always have one when I travel, but the bottom part, you could get 3 USB-C, 1 USB-A port, but it charges up so fast. So I'm definitely going to pick up a second one. For $30, it's worth it because it's a huge time saver. And speaking of time saver, the Dyson hair products, we have a lot of new ones in. So we have the new hair dryer. Now we did share this. It was at Costco.com. And then we also have our hair straightener. So if you're wanting your hair to be straight, definitely check that one out. So of course this Dyson, it definitely has a price to it, but the hair dryer, there's so much to the bundle. $430. That is definitely one I would wait to go on sale. And of course our hair straightener, $480. And we are seeing the Christmas items coming to the store, and of course our towels, our kitchen towels. These are hot sellers. We saw how fast the fall towels, so fall and Halloween, how fast they sold out. So we have 4 options. We have snowflakes, we have snowman, we have trees, and then we have our candy cane. So for 8 of them, I mean, they're $15. Is a good price. Easy to care for. I did purchase a set from Costco a couple of years ago, but I go through a lot of dish towels, especially during the holiday season. So it's a set of 8, and you're getting 2 of each design. So 4 different designs, 2 of them specifically for the holiday, and then the other 2 you could use all year round. So again, $15. So I'm going to open up this pack just so you could see how the towels look, because the photo on the packaging, it's not the best photo. So opening it up, you could see the designs. So I think the designs this year are definitely a lot better. So see this one, solid red, I can use that any time of the year. And then even this one with the stripes. Now they are machine washable. My best suggestion, wash them before you use them. Wash them by themselves, because they do shed just a little bit, but then after the first initial wash, then you can wash them with other towels and they'll just be fine. Definitely pick those up before they get picked over. And then from Delta, we have a new shower head with the hand shower. So it's a 2-in-1. Oh, this is nice. Now the shower head is a good size. It's 8 inches round. And these are so easy to install. So our last set that we got here at Costco, we left them at our old house when we moved last year. But the ones that we have now are actually pretty nice. But see, I like that this is a 2-in-1. And see, I love that you could adjust the top. So if you want to raise it higher or lower. I am kind of curious the second part, how you install it. Is it a self-adhesive? That is what I'm going to kind of look into. So with this combination kit, it is $100, a little bit on the pricier side, especially with the brand Delta, especially if you compare it with the Kohler brand. Now, this is the previous one that we had at our old house, and this is just a single though. It's not a double, so a little bit of a difference. But for $50, it was a great shower head. So I love that you have two options now. And then from Lutech, our indoor and outdoor LED wall light. Wow, for a small box, it's got some weight to it. So these are lovely. So they have it here on display. I like how thin it is. You know, sometimes they're really bulky, they stick out, but that's a really nice modern look. And you can adjust how bright you want it. So for $38, yeah, very modern. So here's another Christmas item, and this is our whimsical tree. It is over 4 feet tall. It's super cute. It kind of has like a lime green branches. Really reminds me a lot of The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. The base has a weight to it, so it doesn't topple over. You want that base to be heavy. And so that one is $70. We did see it at Costco.com. It costs a little bit more. And here's another returning item, the organic maple syrup. These are so good. I really love the container. It's a glass container. And these come out every year, so $13. We're now at our second location. We're here in Temecula, so let's check it out. And from Philips Norelco. So they've made just a little bit of change. This is, of course, your all-in-one 24 tools and accessories. So it looks like there's a little bit of a package change up some of the accessories as well. Like a lot of the products we see, they're always trying to make some improvements to them. And this one is $70. Wow, the price definitely went up on that one. And then from Green Pan, we have our Spectra. Wow, these pans all remind me, it's that same design that I originally saw with the Hexclad. So it is ceramic, it's non-stick, PFAS free. So it's their most advanced pan set. It's a 3-piece set and for $80. So that's really exciting to check out. And I love that they're still bringing in planters. Of course, the one on the left, we saw that a couple of weeks ago. Now, this is a set of two. You can see this one was by itself. So make sure you are getting two of them. So they have that faux wood design. So we have a light wood, we have a dark wood. So I like these. The pricing is awesome. And we're still planting items. We have our fall mums coming in anytime. $19 for two of them. Such a great price. And the cilantro lime chicken from Chef Hacks. This is like power bowls. Okay, 31 grams of protein. So you have 3 bowls aside. All you have to do is just heat it up, microwave or in the skillet. $12.90. And any of the items we showed today, love to hear your feedback if you picked up any this week. And then from Sand and Fog, we have our room spray. Now, this is not a little bottle. You can see it is definitely a good size. Yeah, 33.8 ounces. 2 different options. And the scratch is stiff, honestly, you can't really smell it. So I would just kind of maybe just do a little spray on the outside, just kind of, get the real scent. But $16 for each bottle. Here's another holiday item. I like to bounce around the store. It depends on what areas are packed, but the 7-foot LED potted tree. This is really pretty because honestly, you could set that out today and then have it up till January, or this is up to you, how long you want to have it out. I think it's really pretty, very simple. $170, definitely got a little bit of a price to it. And this is so adorable. Many brands that really work. You can really play these. So the vinyl records, I love that they are making a comeback. So you can see right here, we have Bruno Mars. Now there's 45 records to collect. And you're getting 3 of the mystery balls, 7 accessories. I love the little holders. I mean, this is just too cute. And I'm thinking about getting one. I'm not sure, but $30 for the whole set. I just kind of want to look into where you can find more of the little records. So I will definitely look into that and I'll keep you posted. Also from many brands, this kitchen set with the little appliances that also work. How adorable. My daughter loves these little items. Now that one definitely has a price of $50. So yeah, they're a little bit on the pricier side. And then from the brand Unreal, their dark chocolate variety pack. These are great alternatives because they have less sugar, better ingredients as well. And I love this little variety pack. Of course, I think the peanut butter cups would be my favorite. So definitely look out for these, and especially with Halloween coming up. And now they are a bit on the pricier side of $15.69. And if you love puzzles from Boardwalk, these are back. And this is another one, kind of go through them because there's so many different ones. And we have some the holiday themes and we have some everyday themes. I love putting together puzzles. It's very relaxing, very soothing. And I have some great puzzles. And once I put them together, honestly, I just break them up. I'll box them up later. And then sometimes I'll put them together again. See, I like this one. That one looks really fun. I mean, look how many pieces. So that was 500. Some of them are 1,000. But the best part is the price. $10. That is it. Here's a new piece to get organized, maybe under your sink. So you could have this under your sink or even on the counter. They look really nice, and that's entirely up to you if you want to have it in your pantry. So they have this one on display. Of course, they have it strapped to the box, so I can't really move it around. They roll out really nice, and they're a good size. Oh, I like these, and I love that you have two options. And for $30. I know sometimes those could get a little pricey. And then from the brand Hunter, now we have seen the taller boots and we only had one option, but with these boots a little bit shorter, like, you know, towards the ankle, we have two options. But see, I like there's a little bit of a lift in the back and then the lining on the inside. So these are definitely going to keep your feet warm. Oh, I'm going to have to think about these because I really like them. So there's no half sizes. My suggestion with boots, I always size up, but they are $100. I know they're a bit on the pricey side, but they are worth it. And then from Trinity, now we did see the previous one go on clearance and they moved out. This is a 6-tier commercial. Now it's indoor and outdoor wire shelving rack. So it is coated. The weight is the same. So if you have it on the wheels, only up to 800 pounds, that's still a lot. But see, now you have this clear shield. So that's a huge plus. So they just made it better. Now, it did come back at a higher price too, because it used to be $90. But remember, it's still a great shelving unit, but it's now $110. And with October coming up, we're starting to see our beers come in. So this one, 24 beers for $30. Here is another one, 24. These are glass bottles for $28. Let me know if you tried either one of those. And then the chicken parmesan, this is definitely new. Now, I personally love chicken parmesan. And of course, you're getting 5 pieces of the chicken cutlets. We have our marinara sauce and cheese. So this is ready in minutes, great in the air fryer. So if you're looking for some easy, hearty meals, this is definitely one to check out. And for 5 pieces, that's actually a good amount. So again, easy to heat up the air fryer or the microwave and oven. So you have several ways to heat it up, and those are $16 each. Now, this is a returning item, and we did try this with us previously here, the French onion style ravioli bake kit with the beef sauce. I thought it was pretty good. It was just a little bit on the salty side. Again, that's just my opinion. And you can see the sodium is a bit high, but it was really easy to heat up. You do want to bake it in the oven. That's my best suggestion. And then these kits, $14 each. And then for our dogs, we have some new toys. So this is a set of 3, and this is perfect for large dogs. So 3 layers tough, it squeaks, it floats, and then you could toss it, and then dental benefits. So you can see the 3 right here. They have a lot of them. And these are about $19 for the set of 3. And with the dog toys, they do go on sale from time to time. Now, the Blackout Brownie. Ooh, this sounds really interesting. I love brownies. And I love to try all brownies, especially if they're soft. I'm not into crunchy brownies, and that's just me, but soft and chewy brownies, oh, absolutely. I love that they're individually wrapped. They're dairy-free, too. So if you have any dairy sensitivities, this is definitely one to check out. So 18 of them for $11. Well, you know I have to try it out. And of course, my daughter got really excited. But I love that they're individually wrapped, and those are a good size. So let me kind of try it out. Now, right away, I can feel it's just a little bit on the dry side. And I think it is because it's dairy-free, but it's still really good. It's nice and rich. So let me heat this up. And so I just heated it up in the microwave for about 15 seconds. So still a little bit on the dry side, and I'm just really picky when it comes to brownies. So it says don't overthink it. So that's what I'm going to try not to do, not overthink it. It still was delicious, especially for a dairy-free brownie. My husband tried it as well. He loves it. So I think we would definitely pick these up again. Now, from Bearded Bros, organic protein bars. The packaging kind of looks retro. It really did catch my attention, which is a good thing. That's what you want it to do. So we have dark chocolate, sweet vanilla. So you're getting 7 of each, 14 in total. Plant-based protein, 11 grams of protein. Now, kind of looking at the fiber, 5 to 6 grams of fiber, but the sugar is 13 to 15 grams. So it is a bit on the sweeter side. It is gluten-free too. It's organic, so it is vegan, and for $21.50. And then we have a strawberry mochi. This is a pancake and waffle mix. This is also gluten-free. Just add water. So easy to mix up. And I like that there's a gluten-free option. $9.69. Now, Costco always has such a great selection when it comes to nuts. We have our spicy nuts, we have our sweet nuts, and this one is a little bit of both. So sweet and spicy, cashews, almonds, and macadamias. Oh, I love macadamia nuts. Now, this is 24 ounces, and once you open it up, even though it's resealable, definitely want to make sure you consume it within 10 days. $11.90. It's a good price, especially for as much as you're getting. And then from the brand David. Now, I am not familiar with this brand at all. So we have a set of 12 protein bars. You're getting 6 of each. Chocolate chip cookie dough, and then peanut butter chocolate chunk. 28 grams of protein is definitely a lot. And then no sugar is inside. 2 grams of fiber. Now it is on the pricier side. So if anyone has picked this up, I would love to hear your thoughts. And is it worth the price? Because for the box, $24.99. So very interesting. Well, everyone, we are going to head on out. Thank you so much again for coming along to Costco with me today. Thank you for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.